If you're getting the Epic Games error code EUFA3, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it on Windows. This error is often caused by Windows Firewall blocking the security traffic Epic Games needs, especially port 443, which is used for secure data handshakes. We're also going to check your DNS settings, because sometimes a bad network route can cause Epic's verification process to get stuck. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to check Windows Firewall. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel and open it. Once Control Panel is open, click System and Security, then open Windows Defender Firewall. On the left side, click Advanced Settings. This opens the detailed Firewall Rules window, where you can look for anything that may be blocking Epic Games traffic. Now click Outbound Rules in the left panel. This is important because Outbound Rules control what your PC is allowed to send out to the internet. Scroll through the list carefully and look for any rule with a red circle and slash icon. That icon means the rule is blocked or disabled in a way that may be stopping the connection. Pay close attention to any rule that mentions Epic Games, Unreal, or port 443. If you find a blocked rule connected to Epic or port 443, right-click it and choose Disable Rule or Delete if you are sure it is the one causing the issue. This step can immediately solve the EUFA3 error if Windows Firewall was the thing blocking Epic's secure connection. Once you've done that, close the Firewall windows and try launching Epic Games again to see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to adjust your network settings. Sometimes, your DNS or network routing can interfere with Epic's background validation domains, and switching to a clean DNS can fix that loop. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open the Run box. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This will bring up your network connections. Find your active internet connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right-click it and choose Properties. In the list, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, also known as TCP/IPv4. A new window will open with your IPv4 settings. Select the option that says, Use the following DNS server addresses. Now enter these DNS values exactly. For preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. For alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google DNS addresses, and they often help resolve connection and validation issues. After entering them, click OK, then click OK again to save everything. Once that is done, restart your browser or Epic Games launcher and try signing in or opening the game again. In many cases, this clears the EUFA3 block because your PC is no longer being stopped by a firewall rule or a bad DNS route. If you still see the error, restarting your computer after these changes is a good final step because it helps Windows apply the new network settings fully. So, to quickly recap, if you want to fix Epic Games error code EUFA3, first check Windows Defender Firewall and remove any blocked rule related to Epic Games, Unreal, or port 443. Then update your IPv4 DNS settings to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. These two fixes solve the issue for many users without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Epic Games fixes next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.